Hey guys! Welcome back! So today we're gonna be reviewing one of the newest products of one of the newest brands in the Philippines, and that's the HYPERDOT from Cray Cosmetics. So nung nakita ko to sa Instagram, ewan ko, I was so intrigued kasi ang ganda ng packaging and branding nila. It's very Tower 28, di ba? Yung medyo mas expensive na international brand. So yun, kahit na ang dami ng parang mga multi-purpose pots, creams, products sa Pilipinas, ewan ko, there was really something very intriguing dito sa HYPERDOT ng Cray Cosmetics. The way they branded it, the way they sold it, I was sucked in. So, andito tayo ngayon, nire-review natin siya. Kaya if you're interested to see my review and my first thoughts on the HYPERDOT and to see then swatches, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on all my social media channels, comment down below, and now let's go to the video. According sa page ng Cray Cosmetics, they are a brand that focuses on everyday makeup for the game of life. They're also a Filipina brand celebrating the crazy in each one of us. Tas yung tagline nila is, "Together we are insanely confident." So ang ganda ng messaging kasi it's like accepting who you are, always be yourself. So very good. The HYPERDOT claims to be a multi-use, ultra-pigmented, waterproof, buildable product with 4 shades, and it retails for 299 pesos. Pero I got it for 197 pesos. Pag nagsisale sila, yun kasi yung price. So that's what I recommended for you guys. Mag-antay kayo na sale, tas tsaka kayo bumili para tipid-tipid tayo. Kasi you save around 100 pesos each, and if kung gusto nyo lahat ng colors, at least you save 400 pesos, di ba? As I've said, the HYPERDOT comes in 4 shades: A-, Low-Key, G-Thanks, and Hot Mess. Na-memorize ko yon. So, ngayon, let's go to the swatches. Just a note lang, I applied all shades on my bare face, tapos on my lids is A- and Low-Key.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. Space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad.
There, those are the swatches of the Cray Cosmetics na HYPERDOT. I decided to wear Low-Key on both my lips and cheeks kasi ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko na shade. And yung first impression ko dun sa HYPERDOT is, yes, very pigmented siya. As in, totoo yung sinasabi nila na ultra pigmented siya. Pero yung downside nito is may struggle konti sa application. If you saw my swatches kanina, struggle for me to blend it with my fingers ng diretso. I tried it putting it here muna and then tsaka ko siya binlend, medyo umokay. Then I tried it with the brush and yun yung pinaka-okay na application for me. So, I suggest na if you're using this, put it at the back of your hand and then use a brush to blend. Tsaka niyo siya ilagay sa face kasi nga medyo struggle siya dahil sobrang pigmented niya. As in yung HYPERDOT, hyper talaga yung dot nila. Napaka-pigmented na medyo may struggle na ng konti. Kaya yun yung isang advice ko for you if you have this or if you're gonna buy this product. And then another one, when it comes to the longevity, yes, it's longevity. It's long wearing because it's transfer proof. So, walang nagta-transfer. Pero, dahil nga super long wearing niya, one downside naman dito is it's a little bit drying dito sa lips. That's why yung pag-apply ko din is very minimal lang. Hindi ko talagang pinak-on yung pigment. And then last, pagdating sa shade range, I like the shade range kasi it's very small lang, pero very versatile siya. So you don't have to buy so much of it para lang ma-fill in yung parang need mo. Kaya, I like the shade range kasi it's small but you have a lot of versatility and marami kang choices depending on your looks na ginagawa mo. So, do I recommend this product? I recommend it for the price, pero it's not a product na parang you have to get now. Hindi siya ganun. Advice ko is to wait for a sale and then pick 1 or 2 colors lang and then try it muna. So, kung ako papapiliin nyo ng color, ang pipiliin ko is yung low-key and yung G-Things. Yun yung parang color na pinaka nagsusuit sa skin tone ko. Kasi yung Hot Mess is too bright for me. Ayoko siya. Yung isa, na hindi ko maalala yung pangalan, it's okay also. Pero, yun lang talaga, yung dalawang yun yung mas trip ko. And last pala, comparing it to other tints or other multi-purpose creams or whatever in the market natin today, it's not really that unique. Yun yung sasabihin ko sa inyo. So, if you have a lot of these products, kasi sobrang uso nito sa Pilipinas, you don't have to get it. Yun siya. Pero if you want to get it, magantay lang kayo ng sale. Yun. So, that's my first impression. There, those are my first impressions on the Cray Cosmetics HYPERDOT. I'll definitely use it more throughout the month. Tapos, tignan natin kung mas magugustuhan ko ba siya or mas magkaka-problems ba ako. And I'll update you most probably on my October favorites. So again, thank you for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on all my social media channels, and leave a comment down below. Bye!
Feeling like Pluto.